Good morning from Epcot.
Yeah.
Where we're here to do our special preview.
Yes.
Our pass holder preview of Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. So if you're ready, we gotta go all the way because it's like almost time. We gotta go.
Let's go see that rat.
Let's go see the rat. All right, we're headed to the back of the France Pavilion where our pass holder meetup is. So here we are in the back of the France Pavilion, about to ride Ratatouille. Yeah, it's kind of sprinkling right now. Let's get inside before it pours down on us. All right, here we are in the very back of the France Pavilion, about to ride Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. It's pretty intricately themed. It's kind of cozy. A little cozy back here. Check it out. Gusto. I do like that they have the whole exterior queue covered. That's a smart idea.
Everyone knows the best food in the world is made here in Paris. And tonight, the toast of the town, Chef Remy, will prepare for you a culinary masterpiece.
This is kind of neat. It's like Paris at nighttime. I like how they make it seem like you're sitting on top of a roof, like the rooftops. You got Gusto up there. This is a pretty cool scene that I hear does not exist in France at the Disneyland Paris. Yeah, it's kind of cool. There's Jen doing a TikTok.
Here you go, my first one ever.
Oh, thank you. So this is a trackless ride system. So they just seem like they kind of hover around on the floor, but it is all automated. Yeah, they do look like little mice.
They're different colors too.
Oh yeah, you're right. Pretty cool. I'm excited. All right, there's our mouse.
I didn't get a good picture of it.
Here we go. We're off. Whoa, we're going backwards now. Spinning around. Okay.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. The Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way.
Oh, here we go.
Attendez-vous. Oh, ils are ready. Les invités pour le dîner.
Pour le repas, il est en commun.
Non. The Pizza Planet truck.
Tout simple. Voilà. Mais oui, that's it.
I like that guy right there.
What?
The guy just like staring.
Oh.
Cette nourriture est contaminée. Pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
I'm getting hungry. Look at that lettuce. Like big it is.
Oh yeah.
Look at the button. What's that button? Like that.
The button.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
You got splashed.
Dries you off after the water.
Yeah, right. I like the wheels.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh, he's holding her.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Smell it.
Too bad we can't taste it. No, Remy, no. I love that little mouth.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Amigo.
I want to sit right there. There's a little laugh.
Yeah.
And this way, you are always welcome.
Alright. Well, that was fun. And that's the end. Okay, Jen, what did you think of Remy's Ratatouille Adventure?
I like that it's a classic Disney ride again.
Yeah.
Like we have classic dark ride. There is 3D, but like there's still like classic dark ride elements to it that I really like.
And you can still enjoy the ride without wearing the glasses, because at one point I took the glasses off. It is meant for 3D.
Some lady said that she enjoyed it better without.
So if you're sensitive to 3D, you can still enjoy it without the glasses. It's a little blurry, but that's just the way 3D works.
Yeah.
The scents were really cool.
Yeah.
I still smell like bread, like bread baking.
Bread. I want bread.
I want bread now. No, it was a
They
really.
should just sell bread.
It was a cute ride. It's a cute ride.
Yeah.
A great addition to Epcot.
Yeah.
A great addition to Disney. I think kids and family are gonna love it. At least that's what I've been gathering from just hearing people getting off the ride.
Yeah, it's been great.
Super
It's a great
fun.
ride. Thanks Disney for the pass holder preview.
Thanks for the pass holder preview. That was cool.
Yeah.
I love right when you exit the ride, you're greeted with a patisserie, but not a real patisserie. It's just a facade, but they did a good job of decorating the facades to make it look like you're in a back alley of France. Those chocolates look so real, but I guarantee you they're not, because if it was real, they would be a melted mess here in Florida. And they have so many different like little things hidden in the windows. Like you've got Chateau Ego, which is House Ego, like the different years, 2021, 2014, 2007. It's kind of interesting. So I just stared at this a little bit longer and I noticed something. So look at the years here. It says 2007, and it says 2014, and then it says 2021. There's significance to that. So 2007 is when the movie Ratatouille came out. 2014 is when the Remy's Ratatouille Adventure in Paris opened. And then 2021 is when the one here in Epcot opens. Interesting. I knew there was some significance to the years, and I couldn't quite put two and two together, but now I got it. So we're noticing just outside of the exit queue, there is a manhole cover that has Remy, which looks like he's got a spatula, and he's reading out of a recipe book, and he's either on water or he's on spaghetti, one of the two. So they do have a new creperie that opened, and they actually have two areas to enter. You could have a sit-down experience, or you could have over here the walk-up quick service window. We're not going to eat here today, but we'll put a link in the description box down below to the menus, so that if you're interested when you come here, you can check and see what they have. So up toward the front of the pavilion and right across from the creperie is this little merchandise cart where they've got some ride exclusive merchandise themed to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Checking out some of the merch, it looks like they've got Remy ears that say Remy's Ratatouille Adventure.
For $29.99.
Okay, for $29.99. They've got a cheese glow necklace
With Remy hanging on
for
it.
$15.96.
That's such a weird price.
It is a weird price. So this is the chef's hat,
God, it's very extreme.
and it lights up,
I don't think this one does.
but apparently you wear it, and like you can see him inside it, like a shadow of
I
him.
saw somebody have it like this too.
There is a Remy in there, so he pops out of the hat.
Yeah, I don't want to break it, so
You
he's
wear
there.
it on top of your head with a chin strap, and then Remy pops out the top.
Yeah,
But is there like a shadow that lights up?
I thought that's maybe that's what Paris had.
Okay, so we had to read the instructions. If you push the cheese icon, it lights up and you can see him dancing.
Well, that's right. We all know I wasn't.
And I don't know, does it pop out the top when I
It said
push it
press
again?
the modes.
Okay, so I keep pushing it and I just see him dancing. But I don't see. Oh,
Oh,
wait, there
God.
he is. Okay, there he is.
Interesting. Okay, that's how it works. That's very
And does
extreme.
it go back down? Do I have to hit the cheese again? Okay,
Yeah.
it goes back down. Weird.
How much is this? $39.99. I don't know. I
It's-
expected that to be more expensive.
Limit of 2 per item per guest. And you can have your own little chef's kit. Which has got
Kinda cute.
a little plush, an oven mitt, a hat, and some plastic food. And
$39.99.
same price as the hat. Got a Remy plush. Let's
Yeah.
see. What is this down here?
He does something. There's a.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, it's got the tag. I don't want to undo
Oh,
it.
okay. So he
But-
does something.
Is that the Tokyo one that we have?
Ah, he speaks both English and French.
Ah.
This English one is French.
Ah,
fun.
gotcha. And you can get a big old cheese plush
They're almost like Tsum Tsums, but not.
and poke their head out of the little cheese.
$24.99. Says Remy on the bottom.
Oh, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure.
Yes.
And they got a little kid's hoodie.
Oh,
A little mouse.
I want that my size.
Says Remy. It's cute.
For $39.99.
All right. So they even have the wearable Emile and Remy, but everyone wants Remy as the shelf is empty.
Oh, yeah.
No one really wants Emile.
And this one's already kind of open. So
But I guess you control it with this.
it's weird. Well, you wear it.
Yeah, it's a wearable remote control buddy. Is what they're advertising it as. And it's $34.99. And it kind of shows you little instructions on it. And then you could even get the actual ride vehicle.
Everything's interactive.
Yes.
So that's cute. And they have the different colors.
Oh yeah, different color ride vehicles.
$14.99.
Now over in the Germany pavilion, the Alps booth has reopened and is open now for the festival. This is where they've got the warm raclette of Swiss cheese. I'll be getting that. I don't think I'll be getting it with the Alpine ham, but I'll definitely be getting it for the Swiss cheese and baby potatoes. And if I recall, the blueberry and almond frangipane tart was really, really good. But I think I'm just gonna get the raclette cheese. All right, we got the warm raclette of Swiss cheese with baby potatoes and 3 slices of French bread baguette. Super excited for this. This is one of my favorite food and wine staples. I'm excited.
All right, you ready to try?
I am. So the raclette of cheese is a very stinky cheese,
Yeah.
but it's so good.
Oh, look at that cheese. Look at that pull.
It's really, whew, it's very, very salty. It's a very salty. I don't know if that was the potato or if that was the cheese, but it's very salty.
Oh, they put the the pickles aren't the same. They aren't the small baby pickles.
No, they're not. But it's weird. In the picture, they are. You're not gonna have any of this, are you?
No, you can have it. I'm good. I've had it before.
It's good.
I'm okay.
I'm gonna get some of that. That
Yep.
cheese. Put it on the bread.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Put it on the bread. Like that. Ew?
It just looks weird.
How many times do I eat something that you say ew to?
Not much.
Not
I do
much.
like it though. I've had it before. I'm not hungry. So,
Put this on the next slice.
dang. Shove that all in your mouth. Look, there's a fly around here. That's how stinky it is.
And another booth that just recently opened is the India booth. They've got the warm Indian bread, korma chicken, and Madras red curry. But both Jen and I are pretty full because we ate lunch before we got here. And I just had some warm raclette of cheese. But it's good to know they have the warm Indian bread here. So it also looks like they've opened up a few new booths called Mac and Eats. And off in the distance, Lobster Landing. Here are some of the options that they have at the Lobster Landing. As you know, I am not a fan of seafood, so I will not be partaking in any of these food offerings. Let's go check out the mac and cheese one though. So at the mac and cheese booth, which is new this year because it says introduced 2021, they have the traditional macaroni and cheese. They have truffle macaroni and cheese. Oh, that sounds good. Cowboy macaroni and cheese and sausage and peppers mac and cheese.
I like that the words are noodles.
Oh yeah, the words are noodles, you're right. So this is definitely a booth we're gonna come back and check out since it is new to the festival this year, just not today. We'll be back though. This festival runs deep into the fall. So that's gonna do it for us here at Epcot on a rainy day, but a fun day. Where we got to ride Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Jen, what did you think about a new attraction here at Epcot?
Well, long overdue.
Well, long overdue, exactly. I think that's English. If you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, if you want to join the tourist trek, Jen, tell them what to do.
First, check out my TikTok.
Yes, we started that. Yes, we'll put a link to your TikTok in the description box down below.
Yeah, but other than that, make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap that notification bell to become a super subscriber.
Until next time, see you real soon.